Hey everyone, welcome back to AmourFabriQues. Here we are, guys, with the vintage retro children's junk journal kits that are coming out. They're just going to be the ephemera packs. I will possibly be doing some fabrics. I'm not sure. I'm debating on that. But if you're new here, hi, hello, I'm Salena at AmourFabriQues, my Etsy shop. Link is down below, and social media ways to follow me as well. So go down there and click that drop down menu and check out and see what you can, how to follow. Anyways, if you're new here, this is a haul that I found for when I went to Goodwill outlet bins and thrifting at the Goodwill store nearby it. And I have a bunch of vintage ephemera here that I'm going to rip up. That is retro children. For those who are on the list for the retro children and is looking for this kind of ephemera, these packs are going to be done here very soon. If this video, it's possibly with this video posted, it will also be in the shop, but I am not sure. I'm doing this video ahead of time before I rip these books. So what you see here are the books that I'm going to be putting these very colorful pages in the pack. I don't know how big the packs are going to be. I still have some children cards, playing cards I need to add. I have more stuff than this, but I just wanted to give you guys a glance of what I pulled from the trunk for you guys. As you guys know, I also have other ephemera that's coming out as well. I'm going to show you in future videos here too. This is just one. I'm going to do them individually because I have garden kits, I have recipe book kits, I have, oh gosh, guys, poetry book pages kits. So yeah, there's a lot. So everything I pull from my trunk, for those who are on a list for ephemera, this is your guys' lucky day because it's beginning. So every day I'll be posting and new videos and new packs are going to the shop. So stay tuned. Keep looking for YouTube videos when they go into the shop because I don't know how many I'm going to have of each. But enough of me rambling. I'm really excited because I found a lot of beautiful retro children's books, a Dick and Jane. I wanted to show you guys a handful, and so you guys kind of have an idea what's going to be in the packs. What I'm going to do is whatever pack you get to choose the book cover. So all these books that you guys see will be up for grabs with a kit. So I was going to do the kits individually, their own kit. So I don't know how many kits they're going to be, but the book that you get, obviously cord out, just the book cover that you get will go with that kit. So at the time you'll see the listing, I will explain that better for you guys. But the book covers are up for grabs with the kit, with every kit. So I'm so excited. There's so many beautiful ones. I'm really excited. But let's go ahead and I'm going to dig in on some of these. These are the covers of the Dick and Jane's story hours and stuff like that. Here they are here, gutted. Those are going to be pages that, this is all the ones gutted. But here are the covers that are going to be up for grabs. There's this one. Oh, the most popular umbrella one. This is the other books other than Dick and Jane. It's called This Is Our Home. And then there's this one here. The new We Work and Play. They're just gorgeous. This one has a little, but still it's pretty, right? So somebody's going to get those beauties. So those are book covers for this here. Here are full books. I'm debating on ripping or not ripping. These might go with kits with not ripped because some of these pages are just gorgeous, but they're all black and white. I'm not sure. Comment below what you guys think. Should I core this guy or not? Yeah. Would you like black and white photo? Oh, look at that. That's been in there for some time. And it's a scripture. Come to me and learn from me. Well, who knows? Maybe this is meant for someone today. I don't know. But comment below. Oh, look how cute that was. Maybe I should rip them. Oh, look at those cute little elves. Okay, I think I've made up my mind. Those elves, oh my gosh, are so freaking cute. All right, I have a feeling. Anyways, but these have dust jackets on them. But the covers are gorgeous. Look at the little cute kitten. I'll show you the other books here in a minute. All right, I'm on a stepping stool for you guys so I can show you. Look at so that I can show you all of these books. Okay, this one here is really cool too. Look at this cover. This is really cool. This is Singing Every Day. It's like you'll see here. What year is it? I'm not sure. But the music pages are so colorful and they got pictures in them. I think those will look so good in the pack. There's Christmas and all these other things. That's going to be beautiful pages in the retro children. Look at this. This is Oh gosh, wait till you see this. You guys remember this? Wait till you see these work pages. And a lot of them are not even used or colored in. Look at this. Could you imagine that be folded in half as a page? Look how retro, guys. This is going to be awesome. So there's going to be pages of this in your guys' packs. Totally retro, children. And look at that. You have to admit, there's just something about this. 1959. Awesome. This was really cool right here. I found this. It's the Webster, a new, I can never say elementary school dictionary, but it has, it's for children, and it's really cute pages in it. What year is this guy? New York. I should have looked this up. Maybe it's not good to rip them. 1975. But guys, look at these pages. Let me see if I get some pictures. But the children's, you know, dictionaries are awesome because they have the best, especially the vintage ones, because they have the best photos. Anyways, that's going to be in there. The Story Hour as well. Retro Children. I found some recipe cards that are children themed. It's not Betty. Oh, these are the Betty Crocker's library. Okay, I wasn't sure if these were Betty Crocker or not. I have, what's the other company? Anyways, but they're retro children type of thing. They'll be in there. Flashcards, these are not old, but they were really cool, right? These are all about coins, right? So cool, right? And then this is time. But look at it. I just loved how they looked. I wish I had some vintage ones if I could get my hands on them. They're hard to find. What else? These books are cool. These covers, I'm not sure. They might be, yeah, I guess I could put them up for grabs. Depends on how many covers I have here for the kits. I have more books, but I'm showing you what I got in my trunk. These are really neat. I don't know if you guys seen that in that cute little video, Junk in My Trunk video I did. But it's all like children's hour. Ooh. But the pages are just so beautiful. I guess I should look this book up, these books up before I rip. A lot of times I don't because I'm concerned to do it. I just want to be able to, I'll make sure I give you guys the most colorful or the most, you know, pictured pages and not just simple pages like this. Unless, comment down below what you guys think. Are you guys okay with vintage book pages that don't even have pictures? I always seem to focus on the ones with pictures. And I usually pick the ones with pictures. So debating on how many pictures are in this book depends on maybe if I'll rip it or not. But I love the cover of them is the main thing. Maybe I'll use these book covers for a different kit, maybe the poetry kits. Even though it says The Journey Through Bookland, I just think they look good. Because let me show you the rack for the, hang on, let me get to the rack and show you. Here's the poetry rack. Most of the books are really old and they're really gorgeous. And you get the book cover with each poetry book pack, you know. And they're really beautiful. So I just might keep those for that. Comment below, what do you think? I think it's a good idea. Because I do also have the Helen Steiner Rice poetry as well. Those pages will be in those poetry books as well. And that book cover's up for grabs. And so it's not only just poetry, it's also like inspirational type of vintage poetry and quotes and stuff like that. So those would be in there. So I'd like to show you guys what's over there, but I'm going to wait for another video. So back to the children. So these I'll probably throw into poetry ones because they look older. What else do we have in here? Let's see here. Let's start with this pile. A treasury of the little golden books. Oh my God, the pages in this are gorgeous. Let's try to get away from glare. I'm on that stool. Wait to see the pages. And they're big. Look at this. Aren't they beautiful? So this book page ephemera pack will be large book pages, small book pages. Oh my gosh. Just too gorgeous. And of course the book cover will be available. And we're going to use the Pokey Little Puppy for Christmas. I love it. I hope there's enough pages for everyone. That is my goal. If not, I'm not sure if I will even put it in. It depends on how many kits I have. But I would really love that cover to be up for grabs. Here's another one. Is You Read It Yourself storybook. Totally retro. And it has the different, it's not the very old, but it is retro. It gives us the animals in there. What year is this? This would be, looks like we're in the 1970s. That's old, so I guess so. Oh gosh, I'm usually not for comics, but come on people, Charlie Brown dictionary. Wait till you see this. I have to put Charlie Brown in there. Look at, we gotta have, oh look at Halloween. Yeah, it's the dictionary pages of Charlie Brown, which is so cool. I think those would be great pages in the children retro. And then here's some newer ones, but the pages are very comic-y. Look at all the comics. The other one's a dictionary. This is more comic book. And I think it would be really cool as pages in the kit. Comment down below what you think. Some people may like it, some may not, but I would really like to put that in there. I love that. All right, so we've seen these books. What else do we have here? Tricky Troll, really cool book cover. Looks really used. Look at how cool. Memories. I wonder if there's a library card in back. No, I didn't look at the other ones either. I'm not sure what year this is, but it's Retro Child, and it's got trolls and stuff like that, I guess. So cool, right? Or this, maybe that's the name of the book. Looks like we're in the 70s as well. 70s. Okay, there's that one. This was really cool. It's like a preschool workbook, and it's an older one I found. And sorry, you guys, if I'm making you dizzy. It's Roman numerals, and I don't know what that is, and I'm not looking it up. But look at this. Come on now. You have to say that's so cool. Like it. This is not new, but I thought it would be cool to have some white pages. And what I like about it is, I'm going to rip this out, sorry guys, one-handedly, is that when you fold it in half, that's one reason why I got it. I usually, guys, as you know, don't do new, but if you fold it in half, sorry, doing this one-handedly, you have at least a word search puzzle on each page, which I think is cool. You know, you got to find those words on there, and it's on every page, like when you flip. So I had to get it, right? So that's going in there. This is newer too. I couldn't seem to find, I guess I could go online, but the bins, this is what I found. It's newer children's writing paper, but oh well, right? Oh well, I like vintage usually, but I like it. I think it's cool. The vintage would have double-sided. Yeah, so a little on a disappointing. Look at the embossed letters. That's kind of cool. On the other side. How cool is that? Yeah, I would have rather have it double-lined, but that's okay. And then this. And we got more, but I'm just pulling what I had on the shelf. What is this? Oh, it's a student dictionary. And it looks newer, but who knows? Who knows? We're in the 80s. This is the 1980s. But it's like a dictionary, but it has the colorful pictures. You know what I mean? In it, which I liked. So I'm trying to do a mixture of black and white and color in this. So what else do we have here? We got, there's all our Dick and Janes and stuff. Let's see here, I'll pull. Oh, we got children's classics. This is a newer book, but it's black and white. Again, I'm not sure if I'm a big fan, but it's got a lot of the classics in it. What do you guys think? Yes or no? Either way, grab another book. We have a treasury of animal stories. This is older. It's cute. What else do I have? I have a Penny Whistler party planner. I put that in there for a reason. Okay, so it's children's party planning. I like the colors. I think it will look good in there. What do we have here? Children's lesson book of some sort. Okay, see? But this one's newer. I'm not sure what year this is. Looks good though. What's this one? All right, we got Hans Christian and Fairy Tales. Cool book. And it has fairy tales. A little bit on the glossy side though. I like matte, guys. You guys know I like the vintage, real old vintage, which is cute. It's cute. I'll still put them in there, but I think I'm still going to keep looking, guys, for more vintage books. But this is a lot so far, and I'm going to get the pack started at least. And we're going to start ripping. And we're going to get these things going. And we'll have these packs nicely done for you guys. I'm excited. I can't wait. Again, there's some of the book covers. It's going to be a fun kit, guys. I'm going to go ahead and start ripping. And who knows? I'm thinking about actually starting to go live so you guys can actually work with these with me. So I hope you guys love this video. I'm excited to put these in the shop for you guys. I can't wait. You guys have a good day. Bye.